Hello, well, here's my review of this Hubs microwave. So the good thing about it is that it's simple and easy to use. No complicated buttons or menus. Just turn the dials and get on with it, which is honestly all most people want from a microwave. And it is perfect for everyday meals. So whether you are reheating leftovers, making quick meals, or defrosting something, it handles the basics really well. It is compact but still practical, so the size fits nicely in smaller kitchens without feeling too cramped for normal plates and bowls. And I like it because it has a different power levels for better control. So the 5 power settings let you heat things more evenly instead of blasting everything on full power. I highly recommend it. You go ahead and get yours today.